back to another video, guys. I'm Magic Card Man, and today I'm going to teach you the Tenkai Vanish. So how do you do the Tenkai Vanish? So you grab any card, alright? And you hold it like this, and then the middle finger right here, and then the index finger right on the back. Just like this. Kind of like scissor cutting it, like boom! But with your fingers. And then you hold it like this, and then just bring it in, just like this. And have it right here on your palm, and then with your thumb you grab it just like this, let go with these two fingers. Now you're only holding it with your thumb, and you just let go, just like that. So, and all together it should look like this from this angle, and then from this angle it should look like this. And then really fast like this, and then to bring it back you use your thumb, push, and your thumb in your palm right here, and you just kind of push up, grab it like this. So it's like this, push up, grab it, there you have it, just like that. Another way you can grab it is like just grabbing it back just like this, just like how you put it, just like how you did this, but just, you know, the opposite in reverse, just like this. So all together, you know, it can look like that or like this. So you can, you know, play around with it, have fun, you know. Oh, it's vanished, and then now it's back. But you don't want to wait too long to bring it back, because then people might start to figure it out. But you know, it's okay. And then you can like do, oh, it's gone, and then you can pretend like grab it out of the air, just like that. You can do a whole bunch of cool things. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you so much. Hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom!